Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw the isometric projection of a square pyramid of base edges 50 mm and axis height 80 mm, kept inverted position with two of its base side parallel to VP. See, it is inverted. It is kept in inverted position. So, and two sides are parallel to VP. So it will be like this. See, these two sides are parallel to VP. So first we will draw scale. Since we have to do it by isometric projection, we will draw 45 degree and 30 degree and we'll mark distance 80 and we'll complete the scale. Now see, this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree. "50" is from here 0 to 50 and 80 from here 70 to 10. Now we'll draw helping figure. So in helping figure we need to draw a square of side 50. So I will take 50 and I will draw a square. So we are done with the helping figure. If you want, you can draw a dotted line also to show it's a square pyramid and it is inverted square pyramid. So when you see from the top, it will appear like this. So if you want to draw, you can draw like this. It's an optional. Otherwise, you can draw only square if you want. Now we'll draw 30 degree and we'll draw a box. Height is how much? Height is 80. So we'll take 0 to 70 and we'll cut here. This is ABCD or 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to call. So what I need to do, I need to mark that ABCD. Box over here, A is over here. We'll take A to B and we'll cut from A. Same way we'll cut A to D. We'll take A to D and we'll cut from A. We'll get D. Then again I'll draw a parallel line for 30 degree. This is BCD. So we are done with square. Now we need to draw inverted square pyramid. So what we will do, the base will be dark. So this upper part will be dark. Now we need to mark midpoint. So all of you know how to mark midpoint, M and N. So this is M distance and this is N. So we'll take M, we'll cut it over here. Then I will take this inside, I will mark N. See this, I will take this distance and I will cut it from here. And from that point, we'll go down by height. This is M. Now height is how much? Height is 80. So I will take height and I will cut from M. So I'll get point O. Then I will join O to D, O to A and O to B. So this way we have done inverted square pyramid. Then we need to draw axis. After this we'll show, this is O, we'll show direction of viewing. We'll write origin and 30 degree. We can do dimensioning, and then we need to write isometric projection. So I hope everyone understood. Thank you.